Machine have the special function that let us to choose which time we want the machine brew coffee. So after setting the machine for the basic use, so if we use coffee bean, powder quantity and straight, or in case we use coffee powder, switch off the grinding, we pass to setting the time. First is setting the actual time by the corresponding button for hour, long press, move fast, hour, and minutes. Then we can setting the delay time of start the brewing, for example the next morning. We press long time the program button, the display flash, and we set again hour and minutes. Then for fixing this we push again program and the blue light switch on. Very important, after that don't touch on off button, because in this way we delay all the function.